Lego Creator 3-in-1 Exotic Parrot. Set number 31136. Released in March 2023, consisting of 253 pieces. The first of the three models is the colourful blue, yellow and green frog. The second model is a fish swimming near the seabed. And the third model is the exotic parrot itself, based on a blue and yellow macaw, which is perched on a branch on a tree stump with flowers surrounding it. The bird can be moved by moving the perch. Also, the wings and tail can be posed. Thank you for watching. For more LEGO videos, please see Coggle Blocks.